Hey there, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and it seems to be wedding season right now where I'm living. But these cookies would also be perfect for New Year's or any celebration. You could put this cookie design on any shape. I chose a hexagon, so I'm using a 15-second royal icing to outline and flood my hexagon. And I went a little over the edge here, so I'll just scrape that away with my scribe. Then I let my cookie dry completely, and now I'm just going to add some gold flecks to the cookie. So I'm using a little bit of luster dust from the sugar art, and I'm going to dilute it with the color solution, which is also from the sugar art. And then I'm just going to flick some color on using my paintbrush. And I don't know how well you can see this, but it left a nice gold speckled pattern on the background of the cookie. So once my gold speckled pattern had dried, I got out my marker and my projector, and I'm just going to trace the letters C+T onto the cookie using the projector. This is for a wedding set, so you could put cheers at the bottom of here. You don't need to put anything at all. It's completely up to you what you want to do. And if you don't have a projector, you could trace your letters or your word on using the tissue paper method, and I have a video on that. I'll leave a link in the description. Now I'm also going to trace the champagne glasses onto the cookie using the projector and a royal icing in about a 25-second consistency. I did get this image off of Canva, but you can find any image of champagne glasses on the internet and use that as your clip art. And I'm going to do the same thing to pipe the champagne in the glasses. I'm just going to use a white royal icing for the champagne, and once it completely dried, I'm going to go back and paint it gold using the sugar art solution I made before, but I really didn't like the shade of gold it was putting on here. It's not quite dark enough, so I did change to a gold edible paint and went over it again. And now these cookies are done. I think they're super sweet and would be perfect for New Year's or a birthday celebration or any celebration for that matter. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. Cheers!